Pvc Foundation was started in the UK in 1996. It was started by somebody affected by PBC who realised that there was a huge unmet need in terms of patient information, particularly those affected by the condition. I became involved in 2003, principally because I saw for myself the power that information can have in terms of PBC patients taking control of their lives and living a much more fuller and happier life within their PBC and their symptoms. So PBC, being an autoimmune condition, particularly with no known cure at the moment, has some severe life-changing facets that need to be addressed. The two main symptoms of PBC are classically an itch under the skin or pruritus, but also a chronic fatigue. The fatigue many patients will describe as having the power pulled or the plug pulled. They also talk about walking through custard or wearing a lead blanket. So it's not a tiredness, it's not something that sleep can sort. It's a genuine weariness within the body, and that can be devastating in real life terms. The second main symptom is pruritus, which is an itch under the skin with no visible signs. And again, if this itch is irretractable, it has been known to lead to suicide, and there are clinicians who will transplant a perfectly healthy liver for reasons of itch. So PBC is an autoimmune condition which affects the liver, and as well as the physical aspects of living with an incurable condition, there are also the emotional and psychological aspects that very much need to be looked at and supported. Often, as is the case with many rare conditions, once you have a diagnosis and realise there is no cure, people will often go through a grieving process for the life that they perceive to have lost. They wonder, are they going to see their children grow, if they're going to see their grandkids grow, and this has a huge impact in terms of their day-to-day quality of life. The PBC Foundation very much advocates peer-to-peer support, but also providing emotional and psychological support, because we feel that if you look after yourself emotionally and psychologically on a day-to-day basis, that very much helps your long-term path and your long-term journey within your PBC.